4th time recording this. Oh my. So, then we're gonna play Vibe Station. If you're asking why this is my 4th one, well, so I recorded this 4 times, except that all of them were failures. So chill with your friends, 47. So you get badges, but they're like you have to buy something. There's one that I got, get hit by a train. 7 days playing the game, an hour. Man, the rest you have to just buy. Whoa, whoa, buy a phone. Whoa, what am I doing? What the heck? Why am I under the? Hey. Hi. Why is he upside down? Hi. Yeah, I'm just gonna go. I am Captain Underpants. Wow. Whee! On the tracks! Woo! What? There's a train? Oh wait, you die when you touch it? How am I supposed to know that? Okay, enough of that. Let's buy some Pepsi. Food. Zombies. Let's shut off the music for a while. Chill. What the heck? Why are you? What? Are you? How are you? What? What? No! I'm gonna miss the train! I'm trying to go on the train, but it made me die. Oh, come on! Mute! I can't get out. Ooh, there's a stand vibe? I didn't know that. I thought you could only sit. But I have no idea where. It's better in first person, actually. Okay, go in the elevator. Which floor? Floor 3. You can literally hear me walking like my echoes. The perfect SUV. You'll own one. Samode. This guy's a car fan. But why'd he make a train then? Train game. Vibe game. Wow, this is pretty cool. I like it. The Vibe Station. Oh, let's go over here. Let's see over here. Is there another entrance? No. Where are you? Who are you? Explain yourself. You won't answer. Okay. Probably one of these like people, whatever. Like they sell stuff and you get a badge for buying it. Anyway, let's go back down. There's nothing in here. Man. Hey guys, I'm just chilling. Yeah. Okay, let's get hit by a train. Where's the train? Train, where are you? Are you gonna come over here? What the heck is this? I can't go down. Go. I can't go down here. I wanna go. This looks cool. But it won't let me. Man. Oh, this is actually cool. That's not cool. Just eating from the garbage bin. Where's the train? I want to get hit by a train. I want to get in here. How do I get in here? Okay, let's get some music going. Come on. Yes! I got hit by a train. Got hit by a train. Okay. What do we do? Nya, nya, nya. ATM. Oh, this again. ATM. Can we buy something from the ATM? This guy is not answering me. Oh. We see. Wait, what? We see. What do you see? Zombies. Is that what it is? Dude, stop eating from the garbage. That's gross. Stop being gross. Hey, you guys, just sitting on the floor here. Someone get her away from me. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm bored too. Is there a floor one? Floor one. Go to floor one. Iki-san, go to floor two. Come on. Oh, no floor one. What the heck is up here? I mean, I can see up here. Oh, it's just light. We missed the train. I'm just looking up at the light. Uh, for some reason, some of the seats don't even. I can't even get. Dude, stop laying in there. I want to vibe. Those are the girls, but I don't really care. Oh, hey, buddy, you homeless? Okay, let's get back down. Who the heck are you? Who the heck are you? What the? My god, you're so big and buff. What the heck? Why are you so big and buff, man? Dude, this guy is just prancing, around the platform. Da da da. Wow, doing headstands and all those stuff. Wow, that's a big guy right there. It's not so easy to spot him. Get in here. Dude, is this like an update? There's like an invisible wall blocking it. Come on. Come on. Squeeze it in there. Squeeze it in there. Yep, we're too fat. Buddy, you've been sitting there for such a long time. Oh my, why are you sitting there? Come on, get up and go. No, we missed the train. I just heard it. Come on. Hey, train. Where are you? Waiting for the train. What is this down below? What are these, like vents? Okay, wait for the train. No, we're not. No one can see me. Even you can't see me. Oh my god, the big guy. The big guy can't see me. I am the best hider ever. How are like so many people playing? I mean, this is actually kind of a boring game. How are 21 minutes? Oh, 31 minutes I've been playing. Wow. Ugh, I'm so bored. I'm really, really, really bored. I'm so bored that I'm eating out of the garbage. Let's see, what's in this garbage? I can't even see. Eh, who cares? When is the train coming? Man, there should be a timer of when the train was coming, because the train is barely. I mean, like, I don't know what, like, estimated, like, I don't know, every few minutes the train comes. I've been playing this for 33 minutes, and I'm so bored that I am going to leave. Well, you guys, that was Vibe Station. Hope you guys enjoyed. You bought a vibe coin from the MTA. Well, that's it for today. Oh, sewer access. Oh, that's how we get down there. But how do we... Oh. Well, okay, bye, guys.